Hello, Guru Bokodi.
Oh, yes, so that
And the pair holding or hodie.
Oh, yeah, you're burning the day.
Cool. I had done them. Cool. I had done them.
Yeah. The other thing was I.
Oh, yeah, I'm holding her. So, well, him send a debut and a gusu.
Yes.
Na di kan amanfo se oye ajabomofo a oni maboa yarefo na oni aketwa anya enkantawantawa kakra na wabecho leta ma nyina hu so bra pani di ache okofi akokotwetu aba oni aketwa akotwetu woni so guru ena etuo no de bullet I friend who born dog bullet shemu ene gaga oye ma ebi kan stray bullet nyina ba mu ebi kan mo nka ho nyina
ja with you me das so am crying 7 minutes here for Nkasa. This is the first time I'm here interview concerning this whole song. And ja no correct enyum way me imagine say on say rappers so obi tia na so obi kan ya de ye de tete ho ye lyrical ability. So bibia nkasa maya ye drop nyom na say ye kasa gu beat so obeti adwenase. Nti first of all no because of we minu yake 20 a me hu kasa bia entwa yie no me sure a little piece of the kind of saying letter. My humble opinion and wholeheartedly who read the letter na utuns a free makumam. Nema minia the wafumpa that was a mediche. Me make that statement, ma I say for some time. Na a man for respond to minia me kwane nyamede because I felt say he needs my support and I only will be cry in the area.
That's true.
All right. And this is a young guy. The very first day she am catch me point blank say, "La past you takra no the perform your school." So we are so proud. And you go by me. After reach the a small letter and so by you could see our UTV you discuss our differences. What to say? The artist himself, Abba out. I apologize and I say I retract it, whatever he said.
Debbie. On you're ready.
Yeah. And the record label, the boss, because of the reputation of the record label, he stood in and defended the artist. Now this is what happened. Whilst we were live on UTV, Yakotina TV, so the whole nation is looking at us, watching us. They're squashy differences. Oh, Charlie, no matter what, let's move on. I say, cool. I say, this free station is to see for money. I send them a link. The same artist now starting and Oyemini Akituan was doing live video. Kakasebi. Now I say, "Oh, do who fell?" I say now, all children say, "We beba, Chame Kuami was the best rapper, and or Danima Sarkodie, and a way you say, and acknowledge the fact that he's on top of his game, and I say, oh, we are koshe UTV arrest and to be a pie or what." I was like, hey, yo, see, then I'm going to make a diagram. I say, Obuna, any padaseni, and no one any dream one. First of all, one for the record label and what disrespected the record label in the eyes of the fans. The label, it need. You kind of saying
control over him.
Or won't even decided to dear onye. Because Sebio, chairman, the owner of Zylofon have issues with other stations or no resolve here. There is no way the employee ever repeated the same mistake no cost how and let Obama Nipana go scot free because of Oceanasi. And this is what happened. Oh, who mean na all ye no. Na and you so da hot da. Yeah, my Jane said, me release it after the Sunday, no. Now, Monday, na me case me release in yom no. Manye, because I feel say if a Monday, no, they will come and debunk or retract that. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Time I make case me release in yom on Friday. Me release it at exact time. Inti na me expect to say go forward said you already mean say me sumi any power na people look up to me. Trust me, even the president himself, can't say man, young more time, but we don't say any unresponded. But when you come out and defend say won't me or you be or bet you so you'll be. And that's what happened. So the song came out because I feel say if man set an example, I'm the power of every individual, how big we are. Obey you say, and trust me, and you will bow out wrong. Winning parties or my family concerning the same disrespect to the level say your colleague artists or move back jaw. I said, your moon, fine, Metias here. Now, say, lose stock, your mom, even looking like, say, me, person may use any word. Inti, say, lose stock, no, say, Yamwa Bofrana Mananse, son, said, your Usikasa, the communication skills. One day, it won't be me, it will be you. Or it will be any pandit or tail. And now anybody you're bigger than any of us. Not because from scratch, you're far friend and see baby also. And trust me, and you're not release, and you're there. But one can say, you won't so. You were born. Dear, and yet, mid penny say, my but I say, no one is advising the boy, and no one is even helping him out of the offer one. Now he's on top of his game as artist of the year. He needs to cash out. Now he's losing money because of loose stock. And I feel so sad when someone sits somewhere and defend the action, thinking say, oh, we will be any brain, will be hype, will be hey. I just drop it. I just want to say my hype for any song before. Dabi,
so the uja tu manu wakoda.
Of course. Now me, who is the hype? Now me label no yanka. How Wuta became big with your brother? Do you think there was about hype controversies? No. Yeah, dwelling on that. So we dwell on creativity and what the people want. The content they want to listen. Yes, if you are be true, be to what now trend. Hey, yeah, trend that out. And I feel so sad when Obi looking so shadow to or they know. Hey, Debbie. And the whole song I released is because of one. The disrespect level of say, now what happened for 13 years? So even you, if you're an artist and you've been here for 3 years, till 3 years you free me 13 years.
I see.
Before you tackle it, consistency and you joke.
I see.
Now would you be any between form because of you? What?
Okay. Now ko mami misa with you. And funny say unua ketewa sene wa cheche mu na yampa. As a matter of fact, even before you came online and on air, I did the same explanation or intro, not knowing say sample net here. I didn't know about this. But I did the exact intro. Say, oh, we now come here video and I'm wow. So into what kind I'm telling my producer as if I knew this, but I never knew this. But now maybe say, Anka unu aketua why bonia o trainer so na correcting it. Stray bullets out to 2 year my be koka ne mame so ya shawo ne but like be say cross say obi anima star be say amanfo say lapigi say o say a kid na na on say o twi fan so that's what to twi ba fa amanfo anim bebre anka tu akora ne funi jai omo makane
eja say na tie hwe obi true punch amount in terms of song any formula okay say me hete low the same fans and the people who say oh they say we born in creativity akọ from say any punch mwai ha uko hard e be catch you say oh wako too hard I won't go low. When I'm doing it na museum ka ebi kwansi se me take free ho ye be fa wie mu no me family to label amopia ehun hia but eye abufu se minu yaketwa waka sem mamawo me humble advice through something I wrote wholeheartedly.
Yeah.
Me the amount. Now what sign? Me no boss to TV, live TV. Your boss was talking and trying to squash everything out. We did that. Me feel hokoya. You were live on Instagram throwing shit. Oh, can't see. Oh, I said, why you know the pet? It's unia ketwa. Hey, also, eja akrawi on to pana.
Oh, watu bebre. Come with
you. Papa, said your alert other self age now, or say who 30s. Yes. Unsa. Only 30 now or 20 square. Unsa. And yeah, me 22 years I'm at the bar out.
Yeah.
I can't hear Boba. I was around 21 years.
Mm-hmm.
So you think, sir? Young say here for the past 13 years and now 10 years and Kaufi say a young Kamedruha. Did you ever hear say even the Kasiabo people thought like it was a diss song? After that, I went round and never manjam to muda say Miniam penny phobi be so ya be never. I give respect to or Chiame Kwame or Bo every day, every time. Me both free shows job because I want them to feel say, yo, it's not about that. It's about how we grow. Help me grow. I need you guys. Now what I mean, we know how many radio presenters are waiting to form mom, including artists.
Mm-hmm.
And she shall go for more, but they won't say any a buffalo. He's been doing this and trash talk everybody. The level say me label no me I know trash talk what man the label and the people involved. Trust me, if not because the label is cashing out, this guy is possible say for my family that. And trust me, this guy will move the label and check. When you're on top of your game, you need to cash out.
I see.
You don't need this.
Now, Guru, before na me panel member bako at the main chat me oyajima or the Spectator, New Times, take manager no. Now I say, Osha enema mienu a ode to abontin in the name of Kuami Eugene. The first one being the Dear Kuami Eugene letter no, and a second one here who born dog na. Or say Dear Kuami Eugene letter no positive responses than a who born dog no, but with the who born dog no, most of your fans were not happy. But Dear Kuami Eugene letter no de obia Guru thank you. But people were not happy with the song. Also, why is our analysis way? Yes, why is our analysis way?
Because they don't know the reason why I released the song.
Okay.
While we were doing live and squashing our differences, he was still disrespecting on live in like Instagram live with over 1,000 watching. Hey. Now only say people look up to me, people look up to you, people look up to everybody. So you make somebody look like trash? Are you serious? Come on, who patient said then won't that provoke you?
Yeah, you'll be provoked
to prove your worth.
Especially when you are talking to the boss.
Of course. It's like, hey,
I see.
My spouse said me why time I need school near punishing. I didn't see how we be not saying you're a little boy. And so we are born in us who repeat here. You're bold.
That's true.
You're bold. Anyway, it is a discipline. If this is a love song to your brother, this is not a diss song. A love song because the person would send you near myself. Oh, yeah, the beat to us to deal with. When him edit na maya or you will want to have about you. Near woman, maybe you be dressing.
Enti eno na odi ato na o se omo ye hwe e ma bibi free omo chamber de be
omo nye
o ba matese kuami start ye bibi ama eno kro be ne rap onye ne singing na bass we on rapper krampo na micro man na on try because o be canting. So ono timi rap kakra. So me gidi say what your friend say or time who no remix. One who bass bi oye wom. Enti ma say reply no full rap. Kwame Eugene 3 minutes rap. Ning na guru nko.
If he wants to save a person saving the hard work for 3 years. Only means every day will become a active rapper. I don't do it. But active rap is about pride, ego, and insult.
Yeah.
And if me now what you say, me show you my phone. This thing is just a freestyle. Boje will tell you, it's just a freestyle thing.
Enti Boje ne bo beat no.
Yeah, Boje ne bo beat.
Anna, they say I see a friend Mr. Hansen.
Yeah, they say the real name. They say Dia Okradam, Mr. Hansen.
And see a friend of Boje BM song.
So I don't know where I had it in the grill.
I see.
My main character, most of the songs we release, we make it more flexible for people to understand because typical tree rappers and we speak deep.
Okay.
Very deep. You bube. It's a very thing in feeding the and in before the era of Black Wars, because these are the people I look up to, the wars and say only uncle who be fear men yet and I say to
that's true. But first, let me say so far
from the label, the form history from Omona and Council Kusit.
Yeah, that is true.
Common sorry. Common respect. Me know boss Kasa live on TV. Why? What? Who allowed him to go live on Instagram? Are they telling me that there is no regulation under the record label? There is no respect under because if artist is doing good, it means that what said that for money we have rich now. Why? They don't respect them, man. They don't. It be like the boys don't respect them now, and I feel so sad.
I see. Guru, thank you. Now, let me end.
That's about the label. They don't respect the boss. Simple. The thing is not about Guru dropping a song. Guru is an artist, and if me hear more bang, no be baby sami bibia, baby sami ska, never niska wansem. Obi, yeah, my dear, one you na say about no man, me the num nebe man. Simple.
Nana, me da say na mami kan twa to say. onyum way who born dog here enyum bia obia say rapper ye no. It's been longer why rap sir. They enjoyed the flow, they enjoyed the style. Nemum attack any pen and but still for the creativity so far it has been endorsed by many. And no dear, I'll give it to you. Just that some few people also think that no, but for the creativity of the song, the bars, the flow, salute to you, bro.
Oh, that's it. Bar for bar. You say no, oh yeah, bar to bar, and you'll see my bar no cover the house echo.
Yeah.
And a chorus no crime, the same media commercial song, chorus near the do.
Yeah.
Me manakaho, me the chorus no call a commercial song be more their trouble and they do and because the person the baby new better. Oh, daddy, I heard you so said or you did a stop. No, the person did the chorus.
Let me also ask this because you are saying, say, so the chorus near commercial song Nintino. As it stands now, see, I'm no say who born dog no. Is it now on your YouTube channel or it is still not there?
Currently, I didn't want to put it on any platform. I just wanted people to have access to the song.
Yeah, because my boys looked for it on your YouTube channel. I think after 2 days of release, but still anyhow. And I confused. Say, why did you allow people rather to put it there? But now one our channel on fan too. But it's idea that
yeah, because I realized I may restrict people from getting access to the song. And secondly, I felt that there is no need cashing out from this. But I realized that time was wasted. Yeah, I drink beat net there, chorus net there. First of all, show business.
I see. To see I'm putting my who say well iTunes na Apple Music na. Bra, there kokan cash na actually ni akasa.
Hello?
Me say kokan cash na actually ni akasa.
Matic. Chairman. You them that. Me akasa me commercial song be ba me new joint here me already me prepared here. Crowd boy na some crowd your own fan
yeah train. Oh yeah ready I train. Why?
That's